The only thing better than garden tables are free garden tables. Howdy everyone, welcome back to Texas Organic Gardening. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough with you guys how I made these tables out of free pallets and some scrap lumber that I had laying around. Let's get right into it. Search around your neighborhood, construction sites, behind grocery stores. Find you a standard pallet, 48 by 40, or whatever size you would like to make your table. And then if you have scrap lumber, great, you can use that. Otherwise, if you're going to be buying lumber, you'll need one 10-foot and one 8-foot 2x4. On your 10-foot 2x4, you're going to cut it into 4 pieces, each one measuring 30 inches. I have scrap lumber here in the garage, so I'm going to be just cutting down some pieces to 30 inches each. Once you have your 4 legs cut to 30 inches each, you're going to screw them or nail them into the pallet. I like to get one screw centered and then use a level to make sure that the leg is straight before I put in the final 2 screws. Now that we have the legs secured to the table with 3 screws each, we're going to do some cross bracing on the legs to make sure it's nice and sturdy. I'm going to take some scrap lumber again and cut it down to 47 inches per piece. Or if you're using the 8-foot 2x4, just cut it into 2 pieces, each one measuring 47 inches. With the assistance of a helper or some clamps or even some bricks, hey, whatever works, right? Attach those cross braces with a couple of wood screws to the inside of your legs, about 9 to 10 inches off the ground. And that is literally all there is to it, a budget-friendly garden table using recycled pallets, good for the environment. I threw a couple of these together in just an hour or so. Let me know your thoughts. Drop a question or comment down below. Happy gardening, and I will see you on the next video.